in the beef. I just been married to double cup, I gotta pull me a 4 inside another leaf. Tired of belling and run it up, I gotta put the new bells inside of the freezer. Back at the trap, I was ducking the people, ducking the birds, and then I...
Read that, Fox. Off-road material, baby. Let's go! Off-road! Today's vlog is gonna be based on pit bikes, good friends, and just chilling, killing. You feel me? EBECK'S Entertainment. If you guys are new, make sure you guys subscribe. Give this video a fat thumbs up. Much appreciated. And stay tuned because this vlog is gonna be sick with it. Make sure you guys stay in shape. Summer's coming. Summer's coming. Stay solid all across the board.
Yeah, so we just arrived at RCP right now. Me and Ken got our 110s. We're about to send some jumps. Maybe hit some fatties.
Maybe you're gonna hit some fatties.
Yeah.
No doubt. Oh. I'm about to be mobbing this thing. This thing's clean. Oh, screw! I'm on with it, baby! What it's all about, baby. Get out, enjoy the sunshine. See, good vibes when the freaking sun comes out. You see? We got Dane sending it. Come on.
Try to do a backflip?
Whoa, you're not sending a backflip.
I'll send a backflip.
Don't get it fucked up. The boy's sending a backflip. Subscribe. Freaking jumps as well. Shit's clean though.
You guys doing your 110?
Shout out to the boys. Yes sir.
What should I do?
You got it. Great Dane.
No footer?
Yes sir. It's a beautiful day. Look at all the clouds. That is so gorgeous. Lovely, lovely. Hanging out with the boys. They're riding freaking pit bikes. They're mobbing, shredding. Stay tuned in. Keep on watching the video.
Great Dane out here doing great things.
Doing great things.
Forever grateful.
Yes, sir.
EG. Forever grateful.
Look how close Dane came to macking it in this little pit right here. So I just got back to the freaking truck and we're about to go to Walmart jumps out in Los Coches, Lakeside. These boys are sending it right now. We have a couple more subscribers. Like and comment. Hey, that's right, that's right. Hey, we will see you there. Let's roll it.
One of you guys had a 110? What year?
Numbers will turn on. my god, fool. That shit's fucking fat.
That's good. It's great, Dan. Doing great things.
Doing great things, sending it, homie. We are out here at the Walmart jumps. We have Great Dane sending it. Like he said, doing great things. These boys are just mobbing the 110s. I wish I could do this as well. Such a fresh little area.
Alright, so we just had a great day just mopping the 110. We went from RCP to Walmart jumps, and we met the little youngins right here. What's your guys' names again?
Joey.
We got Joey and what?
Wyatt.
Well, Joey and Wyatt. We've been mobbing with them all day. Wyatt, I'm pretty sure he ate shit, but he recovered from the King. He was mobbing today. We were throwing some fatty whips. And we're about to go get some wings and things to end the day off like that. Dropping Eric off.
I'm about to get dropped off.
We're gonna continue this shit tomorrow because I don't think we got enough footage.
Bro,
but
we got some good footage.
We're gonna
edit this.
We're gonna hit
It's dropping right now, so make sure you guys like, subscribe. I'll be back
Like,
with another freaking video pretty soon. We're gonna keep that shit rolling.
Hey.
We out. Till next time. Deuces.
Yeah. Peace out.
I need hit her one time and then I gotta leave it. I'm a real street nigga. Gotta keep it a rap with my people. Turn the whole squad to bosses. I can be kicking shit like I'm a Divas. Yeah.